What do you normally wear at the end of the summer, right before fall hits? Do you usually keep your summer clothes and try to wear them for a longer time? Or do you go straight to your fall pieces because you're just excited to wear them again? In today's video, I wanted to share with you some easy tips and practical, very practical tips that you can incorporate into your daily life and wear your summer clothes for a longer time. I'm going to be sharing some ideas. You can combine some elements from summer, for example, still wearing fabrics such as linen, cotton, silk, lightweight fabrics that usually don't give you any warmth, but you can start to layer with something very lightweight, perhaps something like this, that's linen, or using colors that are essentially from fall, such as earthy tones and those beautiful browns that I'm always so excited to wear. You can also bring some textures such as suede and leather. There's just so many ways to mix and match and make sure that you are properly dressed and feeling great, feeling comfortable, but without compromising the change of season. So today I want to challenge you to go through your own wardrobe and pick some pieces from summer. I will be using linen mostly just because that's what I have access to right now. I'm in Brazil and I don't have access to my closet in New York, so not many shoes, bags, or even clothes to style for you, but I still wanted to challenge myself to make this video. So I'm trying to mix and match everything that I have here in a way that will help you do the same with your own wardrobe. In this first outfit, I am bringing shorts. These are in linen, and I decided to wear these in a very basic way, which is simply a tank top. That's actually what I'm wearing right now. I love that it has these details here, this little trim around the neckline. I think it makes it more interesting than just wearing a plain tank top, but you can obviously wear whatever you have. It could be like a tank top or a t-shirt. I'm not a fan of t-shirts, so I'll definitely go always with a tank top. And I think these two together, they definitely give you a more summer feel here. However, because it has a color that belongs to fall, and because I'm layering with the Will Jacket by Sezane, I do think this would be more appropriate for end of summer when it's starting to get cool. It's not warm anymore, not as much as beginning of summer, and you also don't feel keen to wear like summer dresses, like floral dresses and something too short. So I do think these elements together combined are a very easy way, and I'm sure you have these pieces, not exactly these, but you might have something similar in your wardrobe. You could do this with linen shorts or cotton shorts. I personally wouldn't wear with denim shorts just because I think it feels a little too casual and it feels more summer than fall, at least in my opinion. But I wanted to just give you this idea so you can go through your own closet and pick some pieces that you think could have that same vibe. For this second outfit, I'm going with linen trousers, and I've had these for a few months now. These are really, really great pants. I wish I had a long sleeve shirt to make this outfit, but I only had this one, which is a short sleeve. I do love this because it's not too short like summer, but it's also not long like a classic button down. So it does give me this feel of transitional outfit. It doesn't feel completely summer because the trousers, even though they're in linen, they are quite sturdy. I won't say heavy because linen is usually lightweight, but this one in particular is a little more structured than this shirt, for example. So these two together definitely gives you a little bit of a doubt if it's summer, if it's fall. But to me, what makes a huge difference here is the bag. I did pick a bag that to me feels definitely more like fall because it's in suede and the color is just so beautiful. I've had this bag for 5 years now and it's still one of my favorites, and I love to wear this every fall. I think it really complements every single outfit that I try to wear. I do love to wear with this bag. So even if you don't have this exact bag, you can still wear something suede or vegan suede if you don't like leather. But I do think if you have a summer outfit and you bring a little bit of a texture from fall or even color, it does make a huge difference. I'm wearing here shoes that are proper for this time of the year as well. They're not like flip-flops or flat sandals. They are not boots either, so they're in between. And I love that they're still formal, they feel very classy, and I love these shoes. I have them in 3 different colors. and they're probably one of my most worn shoes for sure. I do think this goes really well with the outfit, but I want to hear from you. Another option here would be to wear a long sleeve button down. Unfortunately, I don't have one. I do want to show you one from Petite Studio that I shared with you guys a couple of months ago, and they're having a sale right now, so I wanted to make sure I would mention that because the shirt is just really beautiful, and they have this now in pink as well. I definitely don't go with pink. I went with the cream color, which to me just feels vintage. It has this little cream background that to me is just wonderful. And I also love the fit. So they're having this sale right now. I'm gonna put on the description box and also here on the screen so you guys can see all the details. And these two shirts are available in the cream, which is the one I have, and also in this blush color, which is really pretty. Now pay attention that these two are not the same fabric, okay? So I'll just make sure that I have the links below and you guys can check that out. The next outfit is super easy to make, and there is one trick that I love when I don't know what to wear, which is to match my top and my blazer. So here I'm wearing a pair of pants. These are also from Petite Studio actually, and I've worn them on the channel so many times and also in real life. I brought them to Brazil because they're really, really comfortable, and I even travel with them on the plane. So I'm wearing here a dark wash, which to me feels definitely more like fall than summer. I love to wear light washes during the summer because it feels more casual and it has this nice lightweight idea. But when it comes to fall, I really like to wear dark washes. I think it blends better with the environment and it just gives you this more elegant and a chic style, if we can say that. So I'm wearing here the Ava top, which is from Sezane, and it's the matching blouse for the blazer. And I love how these combine. Whenever you don't know what to wear, try to match whatever you have as a shirt top with a jacket in the same color. It doesn't have to be a blazer. Perhaps you don't like blazers. There's so many people who hate blazers. I personally love them. But you can wear something that will match. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same fabric. It could just be something black here and a black jacket. It could be a leather. It could be in any fabric you want, something more fitted or a little loose, like square, boxy. It can be anything, but usually it's a trick that works right away. So whenever you don't know what to wear, go ahead and pick something that will match your top and you're good to go. Now for this one, I decided to pair these together with this bag. I think it gives, again, a fall element. Absolutely love how they go together, but you could definitely go with black or something a little more moody. Could be a burgundy, could be olive. I just love these colors for fall, even navy, something like this. And these pants I already reviewed for you guys, so I'll put the link here in case you want to see this full review. But this is definitely one of those outfits that are super easy to create. The next outfit is a jumpsuit, and I have said so many times here on the channel that I love jumpsuits. I do think they're great for fall as well. This one in particular, you can see that the fabric is very flowy, so it gives you a more summer feel for sure. But the color, on the other hand, it's an olive. They call it khaki if I'm not wrong, or camel. In my opinion, it's a light, like a muted green, but it definitely has some brown in it. So it's for sure a color that's great for fall. And I'm pairing again with the blazer because I do think they look great together. They have a bit of a cool tone, but one great way to bring some warmth to this is to perhaps pair with a brown bag or maybe shoes. I went with the burgundy bag because I think they look really great together. They are all in cool tones and I think they complement each other so well. So if you have a jumpsuit that feels more like summer, I would say you can layer. You can just bring some other fall elements such as shoes, something that has closed toes, not like leaving your toes out because that would feel more like summer. You can bring again bags that are in suede, in leather, or that have like earthy tones. These will incorporate fall elements to your outfit and it's going to look amazing. Now for that next outfit, which I think is so fun, I'm wearing trousers as well. These are from Farm Rio and I got them here in Brazil. Unfortunately, I don't think you can order them, but I'm so in love with the fit and the color. They had this in green as well, like a light green, but when I saw the burgundy, that feels more like a terracotta. It's a little more red than what I'm wearing right now. But if you have something similar, I would say you can absolutely wear this with, for example, an open knit. That's one great element to wear in this transitional weather when it's not warm but it's not cold yet. You just want to make sure that you have your body covered. So the linen trousers, again, they feel more like summer, but when you wear an open knit, something that's still breathable and lightweight, you give this idea of fall, but not compromising, like being super, super hot, super warm. And this one is a great one because this one's cropped, it has this open knit, and I love how these pair together. Also, the colors together are so good. This is a cream, like a butter yellow that I love. And the other option, which I wanted to share, and I actually wore here, it's also an open knit, but this one is not in cotton. This one is in wool. So it's another way to incorporate fall elements, is to bring some fabrics that are proper for fall. And this one is definitely one of them. Now, it does have a huge cleavage, it shows a lot, but that's something I'm comfortable with. I just love how these pair together. And I even unbuttoned a little bit at the bottom because I thought it would just reveal a little more and feel more like summer than fall, if you don't get me wrong. But you can adapt this depending on the weather. You could wear something a little more like covering your body or just revealing a little bit. But with this video, I just want to make sure that you get this as inspiration and go through your own wardrobe to get these elements from summer and fall and put them together. Now, the last outfits I wanted to share are also, well, the pins are from Farm, and these are really, really fun. Now, these are essentially summer because they're so fun. They have this print, they have a yellow color that really brings this idea of sun and warmth. However, I wanted to share just an idea. I think when you still want to wear something fun from summer in the fall, you can pick, for example, one of those colors in this pair of pants, for example. That's what I did, and wear on the top. So I went with this super chunky knit from Cause. I got this about a year ago. And because this green in particular, it has a lot of yellow in it, I thought it would be a really nice composition. So it's one way for you to go through your wardrobe if you're not sure how to combine colors. I do have some videos about colors that I will share with you, but in the meantime, I just wanted to talk about these. So I do think it's an easy way. For example, if you look at the pants, you will see there's a little bit of red, burgundy, and you can take this as a foundation to pick, for example, the shoes you're going to wear. You can see I'm wearing here some chunky sandals. These I got as a gift here in Brazil, but I do think the colors together go really, really well, mostly because this is on the pants. So you can see there's some burgundy, and it's one easy way to get dressed. And I'm wearing here on the top, again, this chunky knit. So if it's warmer, don't feel afraid. Just pick something chunky, pick something warm, and still wear with your summer elements. There's nothing wrong with that. Another variation, which is also green, but it's a little more lightweight and it also doesn't cover your body as much, is this bodysuit, but it's the same idea. I had this here because I brought from New York, and I wanted to make sure I would bring lots of ideas for you with the pieces that I had here, like access to them. Of course, if I was in New York right now, I would have more possibilities, more ideas to share with you, but hopefully these inspired you and will help you pick some really fun and interesting clothes from your wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have a couple of videos that I shared last week and the week before, so I'll leave the links here, and I hope you enjoyed them as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.